Hello everyone, Tina here. I hope your day is going wonderful. I'm so glad you're joining me. I have some fun products to share with you. This is part of the Simon Says Stamps to Love release. There's lots more to the release. I just have a little bit to share with you. And then with a few of these items, we're going to jump in and create a card project today. And later on, I'll make another card using one of the items in here. That's maybe one or two. We'll see. Because it's pretty fabulous. First, we're going to make a shaker card, and I think the hot tamale embellishment mix is going to work perfect for that. Pinks, fuchsias, golds, yellows in here. Super fun. I thought we would use this on our card. That's new to the shop. There's a new stencil that is called Outline Hearts. This is 4-piece stencil that you could layer together to create a rainbow of colors in your background. But I think these are one of those stencils that are great on their own. You can see here. I like that there's little ones and big ones kind of scattered. So that is new. And then there's another new stencil. This is just a single one. This is called Falling in Love. I love how playful these hearts are. And there's actually some foil transfer sheets that are new that kind of emulate this. Let me show you this and what it does. I'm going to do a little bit of ink blending really quickly. I'm going to use Sparkling Rose. And I'm going to go around the edges. Okay, and using my Pink Fresh Studio Lemon Whip, we're going to add some color right in the middle here. I always like to fade out almost to the edges. And let me show you the results. Look how fun and playful this is. So neat. Super fun. And this is called the Falling in Love stencil. That's new to the shop. There is a new floral dye. This is called Exotic Blooms. So pretty. I love the size of these. You have the leaves, and then you also have the florals. Let's cut these out. I'm going to show you what these do really quickly. We'll cut out, I want to show you how pretty these are really quickly. So I'm going to put these in my Scout, and then I'm just going to run them through with green and pink cardstock. And excuse my cooking wound. This looks so funny. This is actually I made a Dutch baby. Have you guys ever made a Dutch baby pancake for breakfast? We put fruit on it and some fresh whipped cream. And I didn't have a cast iron skillet, but I had a skillet that was oven safe. And so I had put, with Dutch baby pancakes, you have to get your skillet really super duper hot. Well, I pulled it out of the oven first, and then you put butter in it, and then you put the batter and put it back in the oven. And when I put it on my stove, my skillet handle kind of flips up a little bit, and then the end of it has a notch where you can hang it. I don't know, somehow I went to grab a towel or leaned over it, and the end of it caught it right here. It doesn't hurt at all. It just doesn't look very pretty. But that is my Dutch baby story, which are really good. We had that for a brunch on Sunday. Now I'm going to show you how to put this together really quickly. I already die cut my leaves with green cardstock, and then I ink blended with some green ink. And then with pink cardstock, I did the second die, because there's two of them in here. Okay, and then I just die cut out the whole thing with pink. You can do the stamen here with, you can do the stamen here with gray cardstock, but I'm just going to ink blend over that with ink. I do want to add a little shading to my flowers real quickly. So we're going to bring in some Pink Fresh Studio Clementine ink. I'm going to add a little color to the bottom here. This doesn't take any time at all. So our flowers are all done. And then for the stamen, I'm going to use a gray ink. This is Pink Fresh Studios Metropolis. And I'm just going to go over the stamen really quickly, covering up that pink with gray. And that is all there is to that. Okay, I'm going to put these together. Let me clean this off. Now to put this together, it's really easy. Our flowers are good to go. Aren't those gorgeous? They didn't take no time at all, and I just love them. Let me show you. So pretty. And these are true to size. Let me show you over here. So, true to size. Aren't those gorgeous? We're going to put these to the side, and we're going to move along to our next brand new die set. I just thought I'd share my weird circle on my arm story, and I thought I'd share how to make this for today. So that is the Exotic Blooms die. Okay, now we have another new die set, which is pretty cute. I love candy hearts. Don't like the taste of them, but I love the way they look. Maybe the packaging is super cute. Well, I don't have to eat the candy here. I can make the packaging though. This is called Sweethearts Box. It's just one die that makes the box. This is great for actually small gifts too. Pretty fabulous. You have different size hearts that you can put on the box. Different greetings. You have Love Ya, XOXO, and Hugs. So much fun. I'll show you how to use this in a future video. And that's new to the shop. If you liked our stenciled background, I think you're going to love these foil transfer sheets. There's 4 of these in here. You get the positive and the negative, and they kind of match this pattern here. It doesn't show you, but I can show you my pattern. So they kind of match this pattern. So if you want a foil, you have some new foil transfer sheets called Falling in Love. And then there's a new stamp set that is so cute and pretty. It's a 6x8 stamp set. This one here is called Friends Forever. A lot of buildable elements. You got your envelopes. You have a little sweetheart box or candy box with a little puppy. You have a cute little puppy here with some balloons. So much fun. Your kitty cats and these little critters. How fun. And then the greetings in here are so nice. This is called Friends Forever. That's new to the shop. Okay, this one actually cracked me up. Because the first thing I saw was this. Because in our house, we don't curse unless I get really, really, really mad. Not very often. But when I saw this, the Oh Shiitake, I thought that was so cute. This cracked me up so much. I just think this is hilarious. This is from CC Designs. It's called Oh Shiitake. And I'll be making a card with this because I just think this is pretty, this cracks me up. I think my sisters will get a kick out of this. They know I don't curse, and so I'm sending him a card with Oh Shiitake or Holy Shiitake would be so funny. This is so fun. I just love this. So this is new. Look forward to making a card with this later on. There's a beautiful stamp set. This is a large stamp set that's great for so many sizes of cards. This is the Anemone Wreath, and this is great partial, full cutting, partial coloring, full coloring on like a larger size card. You could do a swag under a card. I just love shapes like this because it's so versatile. You could go diagonal. You can layer top and bottom. This is brand new, and it's called the Anemone Wreath. So pretty. This will be great in like a picture box also in the background. And then there's also some new glitter cardstock. This is a pack of 4. They're 6x6 sheets. And it has a Valentine's color feel. I don't know the name of it, but I'll list it down below. But there's gold, orange, red, and then like a pink or fuchsia. Looks like Valentine's Day to me, so I'm pretty sure it'll have a Valentine's theme. This is a no shed glitter, and they die cut beautifully. So that's new to the shop. So those are all the goodies that I was sent to share with you. Super fun. Now that we have our flowers, and I actually ink blended on my card base, let's go ahead and make a quick card, shall we? I'm going to put these to the side. We're going to make a shaker. So I'm bringing in a die set from my stash. I thought we'd make a heart shaker. This is the lace heart, and I love the size of it. So what I'm going to do is take the large and this piece. I'm going to die cut out the heart with yellow cardstock. Okay, I'll run this through my die cut machine, and then with the white, I'm going to cut out one for my background on my shaker, and then I'm going to take another one and I will layer both of these together and create a heart frame. Okay, so full background heart with this, a heart frame with this, and then a yellow heart with this. And then I'm going to bring in a piece of acetate, and I'm going to die cut out this just to make it easy with a piece of acetate. And I will do that, and I'll be right back. Once I have everything die cut out, I'm going to take my yellow heart. I'm going to add some glue behind here. I'm going to tack it in the middle of my white heart background. This is going to be the backing to my shaker. Okay, and then I have my heart frame. I'm going to flip this around. I'm going to add some glue. And then I can take my acetate heart. I did have to use a metal shim to cut this out and I wasn't worried about the little pieces popping out because it's going to be covered for the most part anyway. We're going to add this behind our window frame. I'm going to flip this over, and then I'm going to add some foam tape along the back. Okay, if you want a lot of shake, I would just say double up on those foam strips. But I'm just going to add one layer. And then using my little Nuvo scooper here, I'm going to scoop out some of my sequins. I'm going to add just a little bit more here. We'll add our little stragglers. Okay, and then I'll take my background piece. I'm going to flip it around. I'm going to line it up. And we will just tack this down. And then we have a portable shaker that's really not that dimensional because I only put one layer. So fun. I am going to add some glue behind here. And we'll just tack this in the center of our card. It still shakes a little bit too, which is nice. Okay, I'm going to take my flowers. We're going to add a little glue behind here. We're going to layer them to the left. I'm going to use some sentiment strips. These are the reverse All the Love. What I had did was I had cut out a greeting that says sending you all my love. And I did put foam tape behind here also. I'm just going to remove the release paper. And we'll add this right across those hearts. Give that a good press. And that is my card for today. I hope you get a chance to check out the Simon Says Stamp to Love release. Super fun. I'll leave the link down below. Have a great day. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.